Your 20s feel unlimited energy, time, dreams, but money mistakes made here quietly decide how stressful or peaceful your 30s will be. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is believing money management can wait. Many people think they'll start saving once they earn more, but habits don't improve automatically with income. If you can't manage a small income today, a bigger income won't magically fix it. The real mistake isn't earning less, it's delaying responsibility. Things to avoid in your 20s. Waiting for the perfect income to start saving. Spending first and saving whatever is left. Ignoring where your money actually goes. What to do instead. Start saving from your first income, even if it's small. Save first, then spend guilt-free. Track expenses to build awareness. Another common trap is spending to look successful instead of becoming successful. Social media makes it easy to match lifestyles, new phones, trips, brands, and subscriptions. Everything feels affordable in small monthly payments, but those small amounts quietly lock your future. Credit cards and buy now, pay later aren't bad, but using them without control removes flexibility. Things to avoid. Buying things just to impress others. Stacking multiple monthly payments. Treating credit like extra income. What to do instead. Spend based on your goals, not comparisons. Use credit only when you can repay comfortably. Keep future income free, not pre-spent. Ignoring savings is another silent mistake. Many beginners think saving means sacrificing all fun, but saving actually buys peace. Without an emergency fund, every surprise feels like a crisis: medical issues, job gaps, or sudden expenses. Those who save early stay calm because they planned for uncertainty. Things to avoid. Living without an emergency backup. Using credit for emergencies. Panicking during unexpected expenses. What to do instead. Build an emergency fund slowly and consistently. Treat savings as non-negotiable. Plan for problems before they arrive. Another major mistake is avoiding investing because it sounds risky or complicated. The real risk is waiting too long. Your 20s give you time, your biggest advantage. Investing isn't about trends or fast money, it's about consistency and patience. Things to avoid. Chasing hype or shortcuts. Waiting until later to invest. Panicking during market ups and downs. What to do instead. Start early and stay consistent. Choose simple, steady investments. Let time work in your favor. Finally, one of the most damaging mistakes is believing you're bad with money. That mindset keeps people stuck. Money isn't talent, it's a learnable skill. Beginners who track, learn, and adjust slowly always move ahead. Things to avoid. Saying "I'm just bad with money." Expecting perfection from day one. Giving up after small mistakes. What to do instead. Treat money as a skill you're learning. Focus on progress, not perfection. Improve one habit at a time. Managing money in your 20s isn't about being cheap or obsessed with numbers. It's about building habits that give you options, the option to say no, take risks, rest, and grow. Avoid these mistakes early, and money stops being a source of stress and becomes a tool for freedom. If this helped you, subscribe to Mindforge, where we don't shame mistakes, we fix them and build smarter futures, one step at a time. Seedling.